Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video. I got an order from Iceman Collections. Got some disc brakes. Yeah, and I got some wheels and tires. I think some of these, or one of these, I'm going to use on the 29 Roadster build I'm going to do. Thinking something along these lines. I'm not sure. And then I got, he had some aluminum like velocity stacks. And I got some longer ones because I guess they can also use them as tailpipes. So we'll see how this goes. I'm just kind of getting some parts together. I'm really torn on which project I want to get started on. I'm kind of excited about, I showed you guys on the last video, this Bar Mills Earl's Oil Shack. And it's got tanks and all kinds of things, but I've got to come up with a base because it's going to be a diorama. And I was trying to starting to do something. I wanted to kind of make like a concrete, something to look like concrete. So this is what I've come up with, but it doesn't really look like concrete to me. So I'm doing some more research. I may have to get some other colors, but yeah, anyway guys, that's kind of where we're at on this one, and I will see you all on the next one. Hope you all are gonna have a good weekend. It's Friday, so hope you get some bench time. I'm gonna try and get some bench time, so we'll just see how this plays out. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.